Creating a themed interior for your KDP low content and no content books can help your books not only stand out, but also make them look better quality and make more sales. So if you are a KDP publisher, make sure to watch the whole video. So let's say that you want to create an interior in handwriting books niche, especially for example, let's say animals handwriting theme. So as you know, the best free tool to design is Canva. So we go to canva.com, go to the custom size, and let's say that we want 8.5 by 11 inches book. So we are going to change from pixel to inches and type here 8.5 by 11 and create new design. So as you can see, now we should put the handwriting lines here on that page. And the good news is, in the link of the description, you will find a free handwriting practice book interior completely for free. Go to the Gumroad link and write here 0 and you will get it in different formats. So I have already downloaded, and then we are going to drag it here on Canva on the uploads. And by the way, those images was created by Canva AI. I have a video about this topic. You will find it in the description as well. So this is the handwriting practice. We are going to drag it here on the page like this and fill it in the page. So now to make it more professional and make it and let it have a theme, for example, in this case, we are going to design animals theme. You can design any theme that you are targeting. Let's say animals, for example, or maybe farms, space, any niche that you are targeting. So now we are going to add some elements, and on Canva itself there are some elements. So let's say that we want animals. So we are going to go to the elements section and type here animal. So here, as you can see on the graphics, there are many animals elements here, and some of them are for free like those, and some of them are for the pro version like this one, the ones that you see crown at the bottom. So these are really good. So for example, this elephant, you can add it here like this, resize it like this, and we are going to make it more professional and add a box. So we are going to elements again, and we will add square like this one and put it on the corner like this. Don't worry, we will change the color now. Adjust it like this to take space for 2 lines and change the color to the white color. And then we should put it behind the element, behind the elephant. So we are going here to the 3 dots, position and backward. So now it's in the backward, and let's, for example, resize this elephant like this, and maybe we should increase the square like this. So I think this looks very good. And also we can even add another box, another square on the other corner. So we are going to press Alt and drag the box, and it will copy and duplicate the same box, and we'll drop it here, and we can add another animal. So let's add, for example, a lion. Okay, like this, resize it, adjust it on the box like this, and this looks very good. Now, by the way, in the interior that I'm using here, the handwriting practice interior I'm using now, these are with margins. So these are no bleed because it's not connected. So the lines is not connected to the edge of the page. So when you upload it, choose no bleed. So you should remain some area here at the sides like this. And you will say, oh, these elements are in color and we are used to choose the black and white interiors. So how can we fix this problem? And the answer is very easy. Firstly, even if it was colored and you upload it to Amazon and choose white and black and white, Canva itself will convert these elements into black and white. However, to make it as you like, or maybe in the future Amazon terms will be changed, so to be in the safe side, make it from the beginning as black and white. Okay, so normally on the normal images, we can go to the edit image and we will see filters and change the filter to black and white and it will be okay. However, for the elements, these elements, you cannot find that on Canva itself. So we cannot change it. From Canva itself. However, we can use another tool to get more elements, maybe even better and more beautiful elements from Victeezy. So Victeezy has free and pro version. However, we are going to use the free version today. So I'm going to search on victeezy.com for animals to see some animals. So animals like this. And here, as you can see, there are some free like these. It's written here that it's free and some of them are paid images. So I'm going to go here to the filters and filter them by the license type. So here I'm going to choose the free license. So now all of them are free license. So let's choose some images for animals for our book, and it's better to choose, for example, this books and use the different elements to the same book instead of trying to make this theme on page and on other pages another theme and so on, and that doesn't look professional. So you should stick to one theme in your whole book and maybe in your whole series of book to make it look more professional to the customers. So let's say that you choose, for example, this one. You click on it and click here on free download and it will start downloaded and you will find it on your download files. And by the way, every time you use Victeezy, check the license. So make sure that it's free license and check even here what is this to make yourself more aware, because sometimes there are some limitations, as you can see here, up to $500 legal guarantee and up to 50 copies or 50 sales and budget up to 1,000. So you should check these license limitation before you upload it to Amazon and before you even make it. So here I choose another interior. I'm going to upload it on Canva and drag it here on Canva. So this is the element, this is the image that I choose. So now I'm going to delete these elements from Canva and insert this image from Victeezy. So now the problem is that it's all in one image. So I want only one animal each time. So we should go here to crop the image and adjust it here like this to only one animal like this and done. So as you can see now it's one animal. We should drag it here like this and adjust these here. I think this look very good. Maybe we should reduce the size of the books like this. So this looks very good, I think. Now let's add another animal. So let's choose this mice, this beautiful mice, crop the image, adjust it to the mice like this, and from the other side like this, and done. And again to the other corner like this. So now this looks very good. And back to the same topic, which is converting them to black and white. So now on Canva, on the normal images like this, we can edit image here and go down to the filters and click on see all and go down to here. So we have grayscale and straight. So on the grayscale, as you can see, it make it gray. Even the background, the white background make it gray, which doesn't look that good. So I'm going to choose the street filter, which look very good. So look, it's very beautiful and black and white. And the same with the other image here. We'll go to filters, choose the street. So this interior now look more professional, more appealing, and stand out from others. So of course you can adjust it more. This is just an easy example and you can be creative on your own interiors. So then it is a handwriting book, so you can add, for example, a text here, couple of A's like this. The problem is with Canva, there are not many dotted fonts available on Canva. So this one, however, it looks like robotic font, and this one is not that great. However, you can download fonts from the internet. Some of them are paid and some of them are for free. However, now for this basic example, let's say like this, and you continue the interior. And by the way, if you finish from the first page, you can just duplicate the page, change the letters, and also maybe change the elements here on the corners to another elements from the uploads from this many animals. So the great thing about them here, 4 by 3, so it's 12 different animals, 12 different elements that you can add, so 2 in each page. So the first 6 pages are unique, and then you repeat the same elements all over the rest of the book, and you can add another page and another page and so on. So this is a really good way and advice to use Canva itself, the free sources that I've showed you. BigTZ, for example, it provides huge number of graphics, or even you can go to Creative Fabrica and search for animals, for example, here animals. So here you can see many different animal vectors. If you have a subscription on Creative Fabrica, you get them all, or you can purchase them by individual sales. So it's your choice whether to choose to invest your time creating them or invest your money getting them from any website. So if you want to see how I use Canva to create images using AI for free, check this video right here.